well, that was unfortunate. Tron wasn't here, but only Missouri, and Devil are here. But of course, it's okay. I got this one covered. I have a friend who can watch me open case. It's ArZi here. But unfortunately, there is one teensy little problem. ArZi never could never speak fluent English and don't have a microphone. So he's only watching the screen share thing. Okay, so I text him. Yeah, I see. Chunks not some offline. Okay, yes. Here we go. Let's see. Hey, let's see how he reacts when I get a gold. Please don't be a blue sea. Like I'm already like open like 5 batches. Another 5? Seriously? Let's see about that. What is left is another op chrome cannon. That's the last one I need. Yes, of course, op chrome cannon and a Kukri knife. Here we go. Really? This is the first one. So I was showing. Yeah, it is a bug. Oh, it's factory new. 0.00. This is a 000. Nice. Nice. This is a 000. Hold on. This is a 000. It's really good. It's really good. Yeah, he reacted. Let's see. It's not worth 10,000. Come on, ArZi. There's both teams. This is a 000. This is really nice. This is really good. 000. But still, it's not worth buying for about $10,000. No, it's not. It's actually not. No, it's not worth 10,000. It's worth just a little. Let me see if I see any scratches. Where? Excuse me. It's not. It's close. It's spotless. I mean, seriously. Let me check the battle scar one. This one, right? This is the battle scar. Holy shit! Look at the wear. This is factory new. This is beyond bonkers. This is clean AF. Let's continue. I'm not feeling lucky this time. I'm not feeling lucky. Especially the one getting another blue sea after that. It's not even worth. Heck god. Chrome cannon, Kukri knife, chrome cannon, Kukri knife. Come on. Chrome cannon, Kukri knife. One thing I need is to complete the entire set. Or getting a Kukri knife. I've seen some of the items for chrome cannon. Maybe I tried out for chrome cannon. I tried out the things for chrome cannon. It's a gamble. It's a gamble, but I don't care. I already have like for about 4 of them. I don't care. Too bad Charles gonna miss this one. Even though today is Saturday. Or Sunday if you're watching. Or Monday if you're watching. Whatever. Just me. Perhaps no squid will work. Oh, the camera's out, so. Nope, doesn't work. Doesn't work either. Maybe I could have double during Christmas? Double during Christmas, rather. Yeah, I saw a red. Don't tell me I saw a red. Don't tell me I saw a red. Finally! Let's go. I thought it was just say final. Oh no! Yes! It's a 0-0. Finally. Finally, I completed the entire Kilowatt collection. Mole. In the premier lobby. I don't know, some money. Oh yeah, I have my phone here. Oh, let me check how much it worth. Finally, Opcon Cannon Factory new. That's what I need. It's not marketable yet. Oh, no, it's not here. Community, market, Chrome Cannon. Chrome Cannon. Oh. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh, it's gonna be a surprise. How much is 2.7 million rupiah? That is 12.25. No. That was average 125, but this one sells at. No, it's 1.7. It's 1.75. Zeus, oh Zeus. Not much, I say. Where's it? Let me check the Zeus. Zeus X27. Factory new. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. It's around 356. $7. How am I supposed to sell this? Demarket? The 000. I'll just keep it anyway. I don't care. I'll just make sure not to friend any other unnecessary randoms. And keep my inventory private. Just keep it in my inventory private. All I need is a Kukri Knife. All I need is a Kukri Knife, and no more. No more playing this. Or if I get all the ranks or each map, yes. So this is actually a game, yeah, but a little bit of game, unless I could pull another one. Yeah, that's why, as I said before, not long ago, there's 2 more today. How is that possible? Do I have to pull for about 1200? Yes, that's Polish, alright. It's using translator, and that's why. By the way, 3 knives. Yeah, of course. But that was on 3 years. That's from the time when I opened my second account, right back in 2019, I guess. Because back in the day in 2018, I got scammed so bad by this Steam. First scam was from the so-called Steam support fake. First, that is so unfortunate. These guys are so loony, and they're pretending that they're Valve or something. No, they're actually fakes. Valve was back then an indie game developer. Now they are AAA. Because how much they earn was in trillions. Because how they provide Steam as a service. Home, Canada, let's go. Inheritance, let's go. Stat track, let's go. Oh, it's up as a Kukri Knife, but when? The question is when. Oh, this is a 400, yeah, so far. 4 covers, but no knife yet. Okay. Another 40 this time. 3 years. 3 years. Alright now, 3 seconds. 2, 1. Where's Blue Sea again in over 3 years? Yeah. Boring. Boring. I'm gonna speed this up. I'm not excited. It's just boring. Just start is boring. This 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 is boring. Oh, fuck you, man. Boring, man. You're sleepy, man. That's just my companion. That's just so Bushy, 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 bushy. Bushy, bushy, bushy after concatenate bushy. 3 doesn't work. 3 doesn't work. Of course doesn't work. Last case, not a knife. Last case, not a knife. Last case, not a knife. It is not a knife. Blue sheet. Blue sheet. Lol, 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 lol. Listen. It was